Okay guys, I know right in this video you guys are not gonna take it kindly with me in the comment section because I know you don't want to hear anything about Hamster Kombat, and the last video I actually made about Hamster Kombat, I really got a blast right in the comment section. And if you observe, I have not been able to make any video regarding Hamster Kombat for the past few days, but I think I need to tell you the simple truth which you need to know. Okay, so if you are watching this video guys, and I would like you to pay attention to this video because I have something so vital to let you understand in this video about Hamster Kombat, because I understand the fact a lot of persons have already fade away. Okay, many, in fact, out of how many millions of people that actually mind Hamster Kombat, few, in fact, majority of people are no longer minding this airdrop. So if I come over to here, you can see monthly users, everything is already dropping. Okay, the numbers of people mining Hamster Kombat are just few, and guess what, I think you need to know the truth. Okay, first of all, before I continue with this, okay, don't forget this is just the interlude of Hamster Kombat season 2. Why the season 2 is yet to kick off. I think if you are not mining this interlude, you are actually missing out a lot, and I'm going to talk about that in this video. But before then, let me show you something. Okay, so guys, before I continue, I want to tell you something about this HMSTR. Okay, if you are actually lucky to have at least 100 watts of HMSTR, which is the Hamster Kombat, if you are lucky to have this, count yourself lucky, and I will urge you to hold those tokens. Okay, make sure you don't sell them out, because right as I'm talking to you right now, a lot of persons have already sold out this. And what if I tell you Hamster Kombat may actually be the next BTC? Oh, yes, that is one of the mistakes we always make as miners. I have seen a lot of persons, or in fact, in my next video, I'm actually going to talk about a particular man who actually established a lot of investment mansions via the or through the help of airdrop. Okay, right, the issue we are having as miners is the fact we are coming with the mindset of becoming a millionaire within a couple of days with the help of airdrop. That is where you got it totally wrong. Where in my next video, I'm gonna break down every damn thing you need to know about airdrop. Okay, that will be in my next video, but in today's video, let's stick to what actually brought me down to these charts. Okay, why you actually sold out your Hamster Kombat tokens, guys? I will advise you now, this is still at a lower price. Endeavor to buy this. Make sure you have at least 500 watts of HMSTR. Okay, if you don't have it right now as you are watching this video, make sure you invest here, buy this, and believe me, in few months to come you will not regret ever holding this. And if you are actually having this as one of those who actually mind Hamster Kombat and you are still having yours, make sure you hold it very, very tight. Don't make an attempt to sell it. Okay, because even if you sell this right now, it's not gonna give you anything. It doesn't worth anything at the moment. Okay, so make sure you are holding Hamster Kombat. This thing I am saying now may sound like rubbish to you, but in few months time from now, you actually thank me for bringing this update right here. Okay, so back to the Hamster Kombat mini app. You know why this interlude is here to help you. If you observe right here, what we are actually mining here is diamond, and what we don't understand is the worth of this. Yes, I understand the fact you no longer believe in this project. We all believe Hamster Kombat is a scam project, but in my own understanding, Hamster Kombat actually did the best. Yes, the only thing that actually spoiled everything is just that the allocation was too poor. But what if I tell you Hamster Kombat listed more than every other project that actually did well this year? Yes, they did perfectly well. Their listing price was very much okay. All right guys, so please don't quote me wrong. This is from my own analysis. Okay, this is from my own part of it. Yes, and what if I tell you those of you mining Hamster Kombat season 2 will actually have something good? Yes, so what am I trying to say right here? This interlude, why this is ending just few days from now. Yes, the Hamster Kombat season 2 interlude is gonna end just few days from now, and we are going to start mining the season 2 officially. So why you still have this opportunity? If you are watching this video right now and you actually stopped mining Hamster Kombat long ago, make sure you start right from this moment and make sure you generate enough diamond, as this may actually worth something very big. Yes, this is not, I am not here to motivate you. I am not here trying to force you to start mining Hamster Kombat, but I think if I don't tell you this, my conscience will keep blaming me. Yes, don't worry, in my next video, like I said before, I have a lot to tell you about airdrop, the types of airdrop we have, and the rest of them, so that you don't keep making the same mistake. Okay, you don't keep making the same mistake. So why this is the main purpose of this video, guys, is to advise you to make sure you use this medium. Why this ends or will end in few days, make sure you generate enough diamond for yourself right here. So before I leave, guys, like I said before, make sure you are holding HMSTR. Make sure you are holding it. It's very, very important. You may not see this as anything reasonable, but believe me, in the future you will know what I am talking about, because Bitcoin actually started this way. Yes, Bitcoin you are seeing today did not just start from where it is. Okay, it actually started somewhere, and that is one thing you need to put into consideration. Hamster Kombat may be the next BTC, so make sure you are doing this thing which I just mentioned in this video. Okay guys, so don't forget, this is just to enlighten you. I am just doing this video to remind you the reason why you should never fade in mining Hamster Kombat season 2. Okay, and guys, please, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so that whenever I post an update like this, you'll be notified. So guys, see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss these updates.